Agyaman na kapo, ay bagarabi. Unang-una, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa ating mga kasama ngayong gabi. No matter the weather, we are here. Team Marcos is here. Team Marcos is here for you, our dear Laoageños. To all of my kakailian at sa aking dearest Laoageños, my question to you tonight is simple. Are you better off today than you were almost 6 years ago? Mas maganda ba ang inyong buhay pagkatapos ng 6 na taon? Does our beloved city look any different than it did 6 years ago? Nabago ba ang ating palengke? Naayos ba ang serbisyo ng ospital? Have we fixed the congestion and the traffic and the parking in the past 6 years? Sinubukan bang ayusin ang mga problemang ito? Tunay bang natulungan natin ang mga mannalon at mangalap sa 6 na taon? Narigat lata tibiyagda. Does Laoag have a tourist site we have improved or developed in the past 6 years? Sa amin lang, Laoag needs to be reassessed, replanned, and redeveloped. Dapat suriin muli, planuhin muli, at paunlarin muli. The mayor of Laoag needs to be a builder because this city needs rehabilitation. Kailangan sagipin at ibangon muli ang Laoag. This election is not about a candidate of Team Marcos versus a Marcos incumbent. It's not about young versus old. It's not about Ilocano versus English. This election is about you and your decision. Your decision between the status quo that hasn't changed much or a new direction, a bright road that holds promise and hope and opportunity. Ang inyong bagong desisyon ang babago ng inyong buhay. Laoag stands at a crossroads in its history. Will you choose to believe in these young men and women beside me, or will you choose the old status quo? I ask you to believe in Team Marcos as we believe in you. We believe you deserve better. We believe Laoag deserves better. On May 12th, may we choose a new path and a new future for our capital city. The time is now. Your time is now. Ito na ang pagkakataon natin para sa tunay na pagbabago at progreso sa Laoag. Awan mailaksid iti alisto a progreso. Agkaykaysa tayo amang suporta ti Team Marcos. Agkaykaysa tayo para tinalawag ang masakbayan. The sun must shine again. With Team Marcos, the sun shall shine again in the Sunshine City. Agbiag Laoag, agbiag Ilocos Norte. Diyos siya gina.
Agbiag